Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. So today I am going to give seven sums in organic chemistry. The lesson is haloalkane, haloarine. Usually I am telling like that, organic problems are very easy. You can easy to find out the compounds. They will give the reactant, they won't give the product. Instead of product, they will give only A, B, C like that. You have to find out what is A, what is B, what is C. That kind of sums only you can expect in organic chemistry. Okay, so if you want to solve the sums easily, means you have to familiar in name reactions. Okay, so each and every chapter we have 10 name reactions are very important. So that name reactions, if you study thoroughly, means you can use to answer this question. Understood? So today I'm going to give 7 problem. So the next day I'm going to give the solution for this. Okay, before giving solutions, you should ready for the answer. Understood? Then only okay, the class will be exciting. Okay, so if you know, you also tell the answer, means okay, you have confidence in your level. Understood? So usually I'm only teacher only telling the answer. Okay, it's easy. Okay, but you also tell that you also know the answer, means it will be okay. You have confidence to crack your examination very easily. Okay. Now let us go to the first question in this chapter. See the first question, very important. Actually, 3 questions together in one question. Okay. See the compound ethyl chloride reacts with alcoholic KOH to get A. Same ethyl chloride reacts with aqueous KOH to get B. Same ethyl chloride reacts with sodium to get C. Identify A, B, C. That's a question. Understood? Okay. So here, option A, ethene, ethanol, N-butane. Option B, ethanol, N-butane, ethene. Option C, N-butane, ethene, ethanol. Option D, ethene, N-butane, ethanol. Understood? So here you have to find out. Okay, all are. So if you see the sodium, you must know this is called Woods reaction. Understood? If you see alcoholic KOH, you must know it's called dehydrohalogenation reaction. This is called nothing but aqueous KOH, means simple one. It's called nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this and all you must know. Okay, then only you can use to answer the question. Understood? Next one. Peroxide. So one alkene is given plus HBr. Peroxide is given. You have to find out A. Here also an alkene is given HBr. Here no peroxide. If no peroxide, means it's called anti-Markovnikov rule. If peroxide means called, if suppose no, if you have peroxide, means anti-Markovnikov rule. If peroxide is not given, means what? Markovnikov rule. Okay. So if you know the rule and regulation of Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule, means you can use to answer this question. So here A, 1-bromobutane, 2-bromo-2-methylbutane. B, 2-bromobutane, 1-bromo-2-methylbutane. C, 2-bromo-2-methylbutane, 1-bromobutane. D, 2-bromo-2-methylbutane, 2-bromobutane. So these are the options. Okay. So Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, means that rule you must know. Then only you can able to get the products very correctly. Understood? Next one. This is third one is toluene. Toluene reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight to get A. The same toluene reacts with chlorine in absence of sunlight. Understood? To get B. B also I put stable product. Okay, stable product means when compared to ortho and para is the stable product. Okay. So same compounds, same reactant, but small conditions. So conditions only different. What's the condition? Means here presence of light, here absence of light. Okay, the product will be different. That product you have to find out. Common A, benzyl chloride, parachlorobenzene. Common B, parachlorobenzene, benzyl chloride. Okay, common C, benzyl chloride, orthochlorobenzene. Common D, benzyl chloride, metachlorobenzene. Understood? So these are the options. You find it correctly. Okay. Then fourth one, benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of ferric chloride to get A. The same A again undergoes reacts with sodium. Sodium. If you see the sodium means you must remember, if it is aromatic, means it may be Woods Fittig reactions or Fittig reaction. If you have aliphatic compound, means suppose A is aliphatic, means I already told you this is called Woods reaction. Understood? So very very simple one. Woods reaction, Fittig reaction, Woods Fittig reaction. These 4 reactions, if you know, means you can use to answer this question. Understood? Okay, identify A and B. Option A, chlorobenzene biphenyl. Option B, biphenyl and chlorobenzene. Option C, chlorobenzene and toluene. Option D, chlorobenzene and cumene. Okay, understood? Fifth one, CH3CH2Br. This is called ethyl bromide. Reacts with AgCN to form A. The same ethyl bromide reacts with KCN to form B. Understood? So AgCN, KCN. This is called ionic compound. This is called covalent compound. So the product also will be different. Okay. Option A, ethyl isocyanate, ethyl isocyanate. Option B, ethyl cyanide, ethyl isocyanate. Option C, ethyl isocyanate, methyl cyanide. Option D, ethyl isocyanate, hydrogen cyanide. Okay. These are the options. You find out correctly. Okay. Sixth one, chlorobenzene reacts with magnesium in presence of dry ether to give compound A, which further reacts with ethanol to yield or to get dash. That's a question. Okay. So option A, phenol. B, benzene. C, ethyl benzene. D, phenyl ether. Okay. Next one. This is seventh question, but actually it contains what? 4 questions. Okay. So all the concepts included in this question. Okay. So here I given, you have to match the column 1 and column 2. Okay, column 1 I given sets of rule, Markovnikov rule, SN1 reaction, alkylidine halide. Column 2, recipe mixture, gem dihalides, dehydrohalogenation, addition of HBr to propene. Okay, so we have to match them. Which one is correct? We have to match them. Okay, then only you can get the correct one. Okay, so each and every things you must know. Okay, sets of rule means dehydrohalogenation reactions. Okay, this and all you must know. It means you can able to answer them. Okay, Markovnikov rule means whenever alkene is added to HBr, the negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. That's called Markovnikov rule. That SN1 means tertiary only more favored. Alkylidine means alkylate means the 2 halogens attached to the same carbon. Okay, so this and all you must know. You can able to each to match them and get the correct answer. So next day I'll give the solution to you. So before that, you ready for the answers. Okay, thank you, students.